Your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly every single second to filter toxins and keep you balanced. However, modern diets and stress can overload these vital organs, leading to fatigue, swelling, and a buildup of harmful waste products. The morning is the absolute best time to support your kidneys, as your body is ready to flush out accumulated toxins. Today, we will guide you through 6 specific herbal teas that act as a natural medicine cabinet for your kidney health. By incorporating these simple drinks into your routine, you can transform your renal health and protect your body from chronic disease. Each tea we discuss today has a unique mechanism of action, targeting different aspects of detoxification and cellular repair for kidneys. Prepare to discover the secrets of nature that have been used for centuries to maintain longevity and internal purity effectively. Let us begin our journey with the first powerful remedy, a humble root that possesses extraordinary cleaning power for your system. Dandelion root tea is often overlooked as a common weed, but it is actually a premier kidney tonic in herbal medicine. The primary benefit of this root lies in its ability to act as a gentle but effective natural diuretic for you. It encourages your kidneys to filter out excess salt and water, which helps to lower blood pressure and reduce strain. If you often wake up with puffy eyes or swollen ankles, this tea is the perfect solution to reduce water retention. Unlike pharmaceutical diuretics that deplete potassium, dandelion root is rich in potassium, keeping your electrolyte balance perfectly stable and safe. Many people enjoy the roasted version as a caffeine-free coffee substitute because of its deep, earthy, and robust flavor profile. Beyond the kidneys, this tea stimulates bile production in the liver, creating a comprehensive detoxification system for your entire body. Harvesting these roots is best done in the autumn when the plant's energy and medicinal compounds return to the root system. Drinking 1 cup of this tea first thing in the morning sets a positive tone for your kidney function all day. It also helps to disinfect the urinary tract and inhibit bacterial growth, preventing common infections that can travel to kidneys. The taste can be slightly bitter, so adding a touch of lemon or raw honey makes it a delicious morning treat. Studies suggest that regular consumption can significantly increase the volume of urine and the excretion of waste products from blood. For those managing mild edema or high blood pressure, this natural remedy offers a gentle alternative to harsh chemical medications. Remember that consistency is key. Drinking this tea sporadically will not yield the same results as a daily morning habit. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting, especially if you are already on diuretic medication, to avoid excessive fluid loss. This simple root connects us back to the earth, reminding us that the best solutions are often growing right beneath our feet. As you finish your cup of dandelion tea, imagine your kidneys being washed clean, ready to face the challenges of the day. Now, let us venture into the forest to find our second hero, a plant known for its sting but loved for healing. Nettle leaf tea comes from a plant that demands respect, but once brewed, it becomes a soothing balm for inflamed kidneys. The stinging chemicals are neutralized by heat, leaving behind a nutrient-dense liquid that is incredibly beneficial for renal tissue repair. Nettle leaf is famous for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce the chronic inflammation that slowly damages kidney filters. It acts as a natural multivitamin, providing essential minerals like iron and magnesium that support overall energy and blood health. The high chlorophyll content in nettle tea also aids in detoxifying the blood, reducing the workload placed on your kidneys. Many athletes use nettle tea to wash out metabolic waste products like creatinine and urea after intense physical training sessions. It is particularly effective at flushing out uric acid, which helps prevent painful kidney stones and gout flare-ups effectively. To prepare the best tea, use dried leaves steeped for at least 10 minutes to extract the maximum amount of minerals. Men with benign prostatic hyperplasia often find relief with nettle tea, as it improves urinary flow and reduces bladder retention. Interestingly, nettle is also a natural antihistamine, reducing allergic reactions that can sometimes trigger systemic inflammation affecting the kidneys. The flavor is grassy and earthy, similar to spinach broth, which some people enjoy savory with a pinch of sea salt. Regular consumption has been shown to help lower serum creatinine levels, a key marker used to measure kidney function health. If you have access to fresh nettles in spring, the tea made from fresh leaves is even more potent and flavorful. Start your day with nettle tea to provide a mineral shield for your kidneys against the toxins of modern life. Whether you choose fresh or dried, ensure your source is organic and free from pesticides to protect your sensitive kidneys. Experience the relief of reduced back pain and improved energy levels as nettle tea works its magic on your system. Moving on to our third remedy, we find a common kitchen herb that is often just a garnish but is truly powerful. Parsley tea is considered a powerhouse for the kidneys, utilized for centuries to treat stones and urinary tract infections effectively. This herb contains compounds like apiol and myristicin, which are strong diuretics that help increase urine output significantly and quickly. By increasing urine flow, parsley tea mechanically washes out bacteria and sediments that could otherwise form into painful kidney stones. It is incredibly rich in vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and protects kidneys from oxidative stress. Combining parsley tea with a squeeze of lemon creates an alkaline environment that discourages the formation of oxalate kidney stones. The antioxidants in parsley, including luteolin, help to scavenge free radicals that cause cellular damage and aging in kidney tissues. A word of caution: pregnant women should avoid drinking large amounts of strong parsley tea as it can stimulate uterine contractions. For the best results, always use fresh organic parsley rather than dried flakes, as the essential oils are most potent when fresh. The taste is distinctly herbal and vegetal, which can be an acquired taste, but it feels incredibly cleansing to the palate. Drink this tea for a maximum of 1 week at a time to flush your system, then take a short break. It is excellent for those moments when you feel heavy or bloated, as it rapidly helps the body shed excess water weight. Integrate parsley tea into a diet rich in vegetables and low in processed foods to maximize its incredible detoxifying potential. The preparation is simple. Chop a bunch of parsley, pour boiling water over it, let it steep, strain, and enjoy immediately. By managing fluid retention, parsley tea also indirectly supports healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the mechanical stress on your kidneys. Let the green energy of parsley revitalize your morning, giving your kidneys the flush they need to function at peak performance. Our fourth remedy brings warmth and circulation to the body, a spicy root that is a staple in healing traditions worldwide. Ginger tea is not just for digestion. It is a profound circulatory stimulant that plays a crucial role in kidney health. Efficient blood circulation is vital because your kidneys need a constant, strong supply of blood to filter waste products effectively. Ginger helps to warm the body and break down the stagnation of fluids, which is essential for preventing kidney congestion. It contains gingerols and shoguls, active compounds that have strong anti-inflammatory effects, protecting kidney tissues from chronic damage and scarring. Drinking ginger tea creates a soothing internal heat that can alleviate pain associated with kidney stones or passing small sediments. To make it more palatable and boost its antibacterial properties, add a teaspoon of raw honey and a slice of lemon. Ginger acts as a mild blood thinner, preventing the formation of clots and ensuring that blood flows smoothly through kidney filters. It is also a powerful immune booster, helping your body fight off infections that could overload the kidneys with toxins. For the most potent tea, simmer fresh ginger slices in water for 15 minutes instead of just steeping them briefly. Ginger has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which is critical for preventing diabetic kidney disease. Since diabetes is a leading cause of kidney failure, regulating blood sugar with ginger is a proactive, protective measure. Choose organic ginger to avoid pesticides, as concentrating chemicals in a tea would defeat the purpose of a detox drink. Start your morning with this spicy elixir to wake up your circulation and prepare your kidneys for a day of filtration. Our fifth tea brings a splash of vibrant color and a tart flavor, derived from the beautiful, trumpet-shaped hibiscus flower. Hibiscus tea, also known as sour tea, is scientifically proven to be one of the most effective drinks for blood pressure. High blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney failure, damaging the delicate blood vessels within the kidneys over time. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea regularly can lower blood pressure as effectively as some pharmaceutica check. You are directly preserving the lifespan and functionality of your kidneys for years. You can enjoy this tea hot or cold. Its tart, cranberry-like flavor is refreshing and requires very little sweetener. Unlike synthetic drugs that can tax the liver and kidneys, hibiscus works with your body's natural systems to regulate tension. It also helps improve cholesterol profiles, further reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues that often accompany chronic kidney disease. However, if you already have low blood pressure, drink this tea in moderation to avoid your pressure dropping too low. The deep red pigment is a visual indicator of its potency. The darker the tea, the more antioxidants you are consuming. Make it a morning ritual to drink a cup of this ruby elixir to keep your pressure down and spirits up. Protecting your kidneys from the silent killer of high blood pressure is one of the best health investments you can make. Finally, we arrive at the most famous ancient remedy, a drink that has sustained monks and emperors for thousands of years. Green tea is not just a beverage. It is a complex chemical mixture that offers profound protection against kidney stone formation. It is packed with catechins, specifically EGCG, which are potent antioxidants that reduce inflammation and prevent cellular death in kidneys. Research indicates that green tea extracts can bond with calcium oxalate, changing the shape of crystals and preventing them from clumping. Unlike the crash you get from strong coffee, green tea provides a gentle, sustained energy boost without overstimulating the adrenal glands. Regular consumption has been linked to a lower risk of developing kidney cancer, thanks to its powerful anti-tumor properties. For the best kidney benefits, drink it plain without milk or sugar, which can interfere with the absorption of antioxidants. It supports weight loss and metabolic health, which indirectly protects the kidneys by reducing the risk of obesity-related renal damage. Be mindful not to brew it too strong or drink it on an empty stomach if you have a sensitive stomach. Whether you prefer matcha or loose leaf, the key is quality. Higher quality tea contains more beneficial compounds and fewer impurities. The ritual of preparing and drinking green tea is itself a stress-relieving practice that benefits your overall mental and physical health. These 6 morning elixirs offer a diverse range of tastes and benefits, but they all share one common goal: kidney restoration. You do not need to drink all of them at once. Try rotating them throughout the week to see which works best. Remember that these teas are supplements to, not replacements for, your daily intake of pure, clean water for hydration. Listen to your body. If you feel better, more energetic, and less swollen, you know your kidneys are thanking you. If you have advanced kidney disease or are on medication, medical supervision is essential before adding potent herbal teas to your diet. Your kidneys are resilient. With the right care and natural support, they can recover and serve you well for a lifetime. Nature has provided us with everything we need to heal. We only need to take the time to brew and enjoy. Start tomorrow morning with one of these teas and take the first step towards a cleaner, healthier, and more vibrant body. Thank you for watching Video Creator. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health insights. Check out our other videos on natural detoxification and healthy living. Here is to your health, and see you next time.